want to add an extra touch of detail to flowers, leaves are a great way to add some greenery and a little lifelike detail. Typically, a leaf is piped directly on your treat because at that point, you'll know the placement of the flowers and you'll know exactly where you want to add the leaf to fill in. To show you this technique, I'm going to pipe on a flower nail, and then I'm going to show you how to use this as a fill-in. We'll be using a tip 352. It has a really interesting shape, almost like an open beak. This shape is what's going to form the leaf. So let's get started. I'm going to take my flower nail, and I have my bag fitted with a 352 tip, and I'm going to go ahead and put my wax paper square on. I'm going to hold the bag at a slight upward angle from the nail. The 2 points of the tip need to be vertical so that it looks like an open beak. Really pay attention to this position. If you do it sideways, you're going to get a line, not a leaf. Squeeze hard to form the base of the leaf. Slowly pull the tip upward. Relax your pressure and pull away. Let's try that again just a little faster. When I pipe the base of the leaf, I'm going to want to squeeze hard so that the icing can build up a base. This will give your leaf structure so that it can stand up. If you want a flat leaf, then you don't have to build up as much. Just squeeze, relax pressure, and pull away. And that's a flatter leaf. Now let's try piping this on a finished arrangement. I have a cupcake with different flowers on it, and I'm going to finish it with leaves. You can see that there are some spaces here that could be filled in for a really nice finished look. As I pipe, notice that I'm not always on the same angle, and that's fine. Depending on the space and the opening, some of them I might want to do straight up, and some I might just go ahead and do completely flat. I'm making the technique work for my arrangement. I want to show you this gorgeous cake I created using the very simple leaf technique. You can see it swirls over the top and down the side, and it was so easy to do and use a beautiful color effect. And that's how you pipe a leaf. If you find that you're having a hard time getting your leaf to create a nice point, try thinning down your buttercream or your royal icing with 1/4 teaspoon of light corn syrup to 1/2 cup of icing to start. Maybe just a little bit more if it's really stiff. Corn syrup gives both icings that tiny bit of elasticity to make that point when you pull it out. After you practice this technique, watch the sunflower and the leafy succulent videos to learn about how you can make flowers with this really versatile tip.